In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do mind map in FigJam. By the end, you'll be able to get a clean mind map up and running in just a few clicks, whether you prefer starting from scratch or letting FigJam's AI do the heavy lifting. First, open your browser and go to figma.com. Sign in with your account so you're taken to the Figma home screen. If you're new to the interface, think of this as your dashboard where all your files and boards live. Once you're in, you have two ways to get into FigJam. If you want a brand new whiteboard, look toward the upper right for the FigJam option and create a new FigJam file. If you already have a FigJam board you want to keep working in, find it in your files and double-click to open it. Either path gets you to the same place, a flexible, infinite canvas that's perfect for brainstorming. Now, if you enjoy building things yourself, FigJam's tools are right there for a self-made approach. You can easily drop shapes, add text, and draw connections to form your own mind map. This is great when you want full control over every detail and prefer to sketch ideas out as they come to you. For a faster start, I'll use the AI on the right. Look for the AI panel in the right sidebar. Click into the prompt field and type the word mind map. You can be concise or add a short phrase to describe what your mind map is about, but mind map is enough to get the structure going. If you prefer a more guided starting point, you can also explore templates and search for mind map options there. Templates are handy when you want a consistent layout without thinking about structure. For this walkthrough, though, I'm sticking with AI. After entering your prompt, click Make. FigJam will generate a neat mind map layout for you, placing the main idea in the center and organizing branches around it. This gives you a clear structure right away, which is especially helpful if you're working under time pressure or want something that looks polished without manual setup. That's all you need to kickstart a mind map in FigJam. You've seen how to access FigJam from the home screen, how to open an existing board or create a new one, the option to build a map by hand, and how to use the AI to spin up a mind map with a single click on Make. Try both approaches and choose the one that best fits your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.